Which tea packs more health benefits, lemongrass or lemon balm? When it comes to herbal teas, lemongrass and lemon balm are two popular choices, but how do they stack up against each other in terms of health benefits? Lemongrass, a tropical herb, is packed with antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. It's also a powerhouse for digestive health, easing issues like bloating, indigestion, and nausea, making it the perfect after-meal drink. Rich in vitamin C, lemongrass boosts the immune system, helping the body ward off common colds and other infections. But that's not all. Lemongrass has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it great for supporting overall skin health. In addition to its digestive and immune-boosting benefits, lemongrass tea is said to help with weight management by promoting healthy metabolism. By stimulating the digestive system, lemongrass also helps with detoxification, flushing out toxins and helping to maintain healthy liver function. Now, lemon balm tea, although milder in flavor, offers its own set of unique benefits that may make it your go-to for relaxation. Lemon balm is well known for its calming effects, helping to reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of insomnia by promoting a sense of tranquility. Unlike lemongrass, lemon balm is highly regarded for its ability to support cognitive function, improving focus and reducing mental fatigue. It's also effective in easing symptoms of digestive discomfort, including bloating and cramps, making it a gentle, soothing option for your stomach. Lemon balm's antiviral properties are particularly beneficial for treating cold sores, a common issue that many people struggle with. For those who need help unwinding after a long day, lemon balm is ideal for relaxation without causing drowsiness or grogginess the next morning. So, while lemongrass is your go-to for energy, digestion, and immune support, lemon balm is perfect for managing stress and improving sleep quality. But why choose just one when you can enjoy both? Combining lemongrass and lemon balm tea could give you the best of both worlds. So, are you ready to brew a cup of these health-boosting teas and experience their benefits for yourself? If you enjoyed this comparison, hit that subscribe button for more insights, and let us know in the comments which tea you prefer.